Hi, I am Roxana from VP Estate, and in this video I will show how to work with the VP Rental Stubs widget for Elementor. We showcase this widget in two of our demos. You can see it in Ibiza demo and in the solo demo. Next, I will show all the steps that you need to take to add the widget in a page and to set it properly. On this domain, I have a demo imported and I have prepared the section where I will add the widget. It will be displayed here. So the first step is to edit the page with Elementor. I will look for the tabs widget. This is the one. And with drag and drop, I will add it in the page. I have added the widget. I will open the tab 1. Here you will have the option to change the title. You can add an icon that will be displayed before the title. You can choose an icon from your device. I will choose one from media. I will choose a random one. And next, to set the tab content, you will be able to select a template or to change the text here. You will have the option to change the text settings. In our demos, we have created templates for each tab, so if you want to add more details than just a text, you will need to create a template and assign it to the tab. I have the demo templates already imported from the demo import, and I will select the first one. I will remove this text. The settings for the first tab are done. For the second tab, I will also change the title. I will select an icon from media. And instead of selecting a demo tab, I will create a new template. To create a new template, I will need to go to Admin, Elementor Templates. I will click Add New. I will select Section and I will give a name to my template. I will create the template. And now I can add here the details that I want to display in the second tab. I will create a tab with two columns. In the first column, I will start by adding a text with a heading widget. I will add it with drag and drop. I will change the text. Below, I will add another heading widget so I can add more text. Now I will change the settings for the first heading widget. I will go to Style section. I will change the text color. I will change the typography. I will change the font family, the font size, the font weight. I will add a line height and letter spacing. I will edit the settings for the second heading widget as well. I will change the color and the typography. Change the font family, the font size, weight. I will add a line height and letter spacing. To complete this section, I will use the icon list widget from Elementor. I will look for it. This is the one. I will add it under the heading and I will start setting it. I will change the text. I will leave this icon, but you can choose one from Font Awesome or upload an SVG icon. Here you can add a link that you will be redirected to once you press this item. I will go to the next item. I will change the text. I will select a different icon. I will change the last item as well. I will add text and change the icon. I will also change the settings from style. I will add a space and change the icon size. Also for the text, I will change the color and change typography. I will only change the font size. The first column is done. For the second column, I will add an image with the image widget from Elementor. This is the widget with drag and drop. I will add it here. I will select an image from media. You can select one from your device. And I will set the image size. I will change it to be custom. I will add the width and the height. And I will save the changes made. Now I will go back to the home page. I will save the changes made so far. I will refresh the page. And now for bedroom 2, I will select the template that I just created. Now if you go to bedroom 2, you will see elements that I added in template. I will remove this text, and next I will add a third section. For this section I will use a template as well, but I will show how to import one from the theme pack. So first I will change the title of the tab. I will add an icon. And for the template, I will import an existing template from the theme pack. In theme pack, you will have available the templates used in Ibiza demo and in solo demo. I have saved the theme pack in my device. I will unzip it. And in demo Elementor templates folder, you will find all available Elementor templates for different sections like home pages, tabs and other elements. So here you will have the Ibiza tabs and the solo demo tabs. I will import an Ibiza tab. For that I will go back to my domain. I will go to admin, and in Elementor templates I will click import templates. I will select the template from the theme pack from my device. So I will go to demo Elementor templates. I will select the template that I want to import and click import now. The template was imported. You can click edit with Elementor to change the details from the template. I will go back to the home page. I will save the changes made so far. I will refresh the page. And now for bedroom 3. Under template, I will select the template that I imported from theme pack. You will see that it will apply here. I will go to the template. Here we have a video, and here we have elements similar to the template that I already shown how to create. Next, I will change the settings for the tabs widget. I will go to style, and here I will change the color of the active tab. The color changed. From advanced, I will only change the margin top value. And now that my settings are done, I will save all changes. I will go to the home page, and on refresh, I will have the VP Rentals tab section that I created. This wraps our video. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get instant notifications on new videos.